Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see practical geometry. That is, take your practical geometry note. This is a practical geometry. Already we have completed exercise 4.1. That is serial number 1. Exercise 4.1 was completed in the last class. Now we will do the sums in exercise 4.2. So you write serial number, write today's date, exercise 4.2. You fill that. Okay. I hope you are completed your homework. Now exercise 4.2. So okay, take this page, write the date, write exercise 4.2. question number 1, construct the following quadrilaterals. So in the last class also we have seen quadrilateral only, but what is the difference between the exercise 4.1 and 4.2? In exercise 4.1, see, in quadrilateral 5 sides are given. See, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. The last exercise 4.1, construct a quadrilateral. What are given in the 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. But in this exercise, 2 diagonals. Okay, 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, so the question say quadrilateral LIFT. LI is 4 centimeter. Okay, IF is in a rough figure we will draw, then only we can able to identify that which is a quadrilateral which are sides and which are diagonal. So first one, LI, rough figure. Okay, this is a rough figure. First we draw LI. LI is, what is the length of LI is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Then IF, LIFT. So IF is 3 centimeter. Here F, here T. So then TL. TL is where? Here. Okay, so in the first 3 and all sides. Okay, then LF. What is LF? LF is a diagonal. See here, LF. Okay, so it's a diagonal. So draw a diagonal. This is a diagonal. Then IF values are also given. It is 3 centimeter. See, 3 centimeter. LF is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now IT. Where is IT? This also a diagonal. Okay. So IT is 4 centimeter. IT is 4 centimeter. So now we joining this IF. LI drop onto IF drop onto, then TL. TL is what? 2.5 centimeter. So this is 2.5 centimeter. So in this side is not given. Okay, so 1 to 2 diagonal is given, 3 sides are given. The fourth side we don't know. We join this. Okay. So in the that is the difference between our first exercise and second exercise. In the first exercise, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. In this exercise, 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Okay, that is the difference between that. So first we draw LI. LI is 4 centimeter. First draw a 4 centimeter length. Okay, LI 4 centimeter. Okay, next IF. So we will use a compass. Take your compass and keep your compass tip on the so first we will take the 3 centimeter. IF is 3 centimeter. No, so take a 3 centimeter length of compass. So 3 centimeter, that is IF. So draw. Okay, this is IF, that is 3 centimeter. Next LF. LF is what? 4.5 centimeter. Now take 4.5 centimeter in your compass. Okay, I am taking 4.5 centimeter. Keep your compass tip on the point L. Okay, so L we draw an arc. This arc is cutting the previous arc. Okay, this point is called, this is the point, center point, this is F. Okay, now we are going to join this L, F. Here I, F. Write the length of that. This is 3 centimeter. This one is 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now we take this LT. That is LT is where? LT is TL is LT, that is 2.5 centimeter. Take 2.5 centimeter in your compass. So I am taking 2.5 centimeter. Okay, then next this diagonal IT. IT is where 4 centimeter. Okay, take 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. So I am taking here 4 centimeter. Keep this 4 centimeter inge cut agudhu, but here we need to extend this arc. So I am extending here. Okay, now I am going to join this L. This point is what? LIFT. Okay, join this L, T. Here also we are joining this. Okay, now write the length of LT is what? 2.5 centimeter. Here, this is the diagonal. Number drop on a diagonal is this only. Here draw 4.5 centimeter. Clear? First LI drop on 4 centimeter, then IF 3 centimeter, then LF diagonal drop on triangle form panitom, then LT is 2.5 centimeter arc cut pannirkom, then IT is IT is 4 centimeter. IT is 4, not 4.5. Okay, 4 centimeter drop pannirkom. IT is 4 centimeter. So right here 4 centimeter. Okay, this length we don't know that. Okay, that length is not given. So but we join these 2 points T and F on the join pannirukkom. Okay, now so clear students. Now your construction part. This is your construction. Draw LI 4 centimeter with L as center and radius equal to 2.5 centimeter. Okay. இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2.5 centimeter ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. தென் வித் ஐ as சென்டர் வச்சுட்டு அண்ட் ரேடியஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 4 centimeter கட் அண்ட் அனதர் ஆர்க் அந்த ஆர்க் ட்ரான் இன் ஸ்டெப் 2. ஸோ இந்த பார்ட் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. வித் ஐ as சென்டர் அண்ட் ரேடியஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 3 centimeter. ஸோ ஐயை வச்சுட்டு 3 centimeter ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. with L as center and radius equal to 4.5 centimeter, cut another arc on the arc drawn in step 4. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து joining பண்ணியிருக்கோம், எல்லா பாயிண்ட்ஸும் join பண்ணிட்டோம்னா hence LIFT is the required quadrilateral. I am giving this construction in the form of PDF. Okay, you copy this. Next one is your homework sum. That question is quadrilateral GOLD. Okay, so in GOLD we will draw a rough figure. Using that you draw a fair figure. Complete your homework. Okay, so first one is OL is given. Draw OL. This is OL, rough figure. OL is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, then OL means here G will come, GOLD, here D will come. Okay, so then GL is nothing but the diagonal. Okay, then GD is given, LD is given, OD. First we draw LD is 5 centimeter line draw பண்ணிருக்கிறோம். Then OD join this. Okay, first you complete this part. LD is 5 centimeter, OD is 10 centimeter. Okay, then in the second part GL is what? 6 centimeter. So L வச்சு 6 centimeter arc cut பண்றீங்க. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. This part is 6 centimeter. Then GD, this side is given. So இங்கே ஒரு ஆர்க் நம்ம கட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். தென் டீலேருந்து அனதர் ஒர்க் ஆர்க் இங்கே கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இதை ஜாயின் பண்ணிடுறீங்க. ஓகே, GD is what? 6 centimeter. GL also 6 centimeter. So both are equal. So here GO, that is OG value is not given. That length is not given. So that we are joining these 2 points G and O. Okay, this is the homework sum. Okay, so you write the construction using the first sum. Next one is rhombus. So in rhombus we know all the sides are equal in rhombus. Okay, so இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க BNDE இது மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு இதை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. BN is first we draw BN இங்கே draw பண்ணியிருக்கோம். BN this is 5.6 centimeter is given. So bend அப்படின்னும் போது BEND அப்படி வரணும். அப்போ this is DE, correct? DE is 6.5 centimeter. So DE. But two diagonals are given, correct? Two diagonals are given. So using that we are going to draw a diagram. Rhombus draw பண்ணோம். BE here E, N வந்துருச்சு, then D. Okay. So this length is 6.5 centimeter. We don't know the sides value. Side என்ன ஒரு side value நம்ம கிட்ட இல்லை. Okay. So using the diagonal length we are going to draw a rhombus. We don't know the sides value. Okay. So how can we draw that? First I draw a 5.6 centimeter. This is rough figure, right? Next one is 5.6 centimeter length of the diagram. So write BN right here 5.6 centimeter. Okay. Now next one is in 5.6 centimeter we are going to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, so in perpendicular line we all know the perpendicular line. The last year நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம் in 7th standard. How can we draw a perpendicular line அப்படினீங்கன்னா this is the point B, this is N. Okay, keep your compass tip on the point B. So take more than half of the length. Okay, more than half of the length. Draw an arc. Down also we draw an arc. Now in the same length keep your compass tip on the point N. Cut another arc. Here also cut another arc. Okay. Now we are going to join this. This line is called perpendicular line. Bisector perpendicular அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay. So in this line we are going to draw the length 6.5 centimeter அப்படின்றது வந்து நம்ம draw பண்ண போறோம். We extend this. Okay. So now we are going to draw 6.5 centimeter. What is the half value of 6.5? 6.5 ஓட half, because the total length நமக்கு 6.5 வரணும். அப்போ upperல half இருக்கணும், downல half இருக்கணும். So 6.5 divided by 2 போட்டோம்னா 3 2s are 6. This point வந்தது, now 5 வந்தது, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1 0 already point இருக்கனால 5. So 3.25, above 3.25, below 3.25 இருக்கிறோம். Now take your compass length 3.25 centimeter. Where is 3.25 அப்படினீங்கன்னா, see 3.25 is between 3.2 and 3 க்கு இடையில இருக்கிற ஸ்பேஸ் அங்க நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். This is 3.25. Okay, now keep your compass tip on the center point. This center point is what அப்படினீங்கன்னா, this is O ன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். Okay, so now keep your compass tip on the point O. Cut an arc. ஏற்கனவே கட் பண்ண ஆர்க்கு அது வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணதா இல்லையான்றது நமக்கு தேவையில்லை. இட்ஸ் ஒரு ஆர்க் வந்து 3.25 சென்டிமீட்டரில் நம்ம ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, திஸ் நேம் இஸ் B here E. This is எந்த பாயிண்ட் எக்ஸாக்டாக மார்க் பண்ணுங்க, கரெக்டாக பாருங்கள். இது 3.25க்கு தான் நம்ம மார்க் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, பர்பெண்டிகுலர் ஆர்க்கை நம்ம எதுவுமே பண்ணல. BEND. This is N. D. Okay, now half are 3.25. So this is 3.25 centimeter in this length. Here also 3.25 centimeter. Okay, so now we are going to join this. The D and B join பண்றோம். Here also E N. Now joining this point B E, then N D. Okay, so sides are not given. We draw a diagonals only. Using the diagonal we complete the rhombus. Okay, this is a rhombus diagram, that is BEND. This exactly, this is in perpendicular line. Okay, this is 90 degree exactly. So half a number either divide பண்ணும்போது we check and write this. What is the length of BO அப்படின்னீங்கன்னா 2.8. okay, this is 2.8 centimeter, here also 2.8 centimeter. okay, இது overall 5.6, அதை divide பண்ணும்போது 2 equal parts, that is 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter. okay, so this is a diagram of rhombus bend draw பண்ணிட்டோம். That's all. Your practical geometry over. So this is a construction. I will give this construction in the PDF form. okay, you write this. So here BN 5.6 cm, DE 6.5, that is given. These two sides are diagonals of a rhombus bend. Diagonals, okay, we know the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle. Using that we complete the step 1. BN is 5.6 draw பண்றோம். Draw perpendicular bisector XY draw பண்ணிருக்கோம். This name is XY. இது arrow mark perpendicular line draw பண்ணோம்ல. This is CX. It is Y. okay, now XY BN at intersect at O mark பண்ணிருக்கோம். cut off OD OE 3.25 cm அந்த divide பண்ணோம் இல்லைங்களா. so OX and OY respectively. join BD ND BE and NE, hence BE ND is a required rhombus. okay, so that's all. Your practical geometry over. okay, you complete this notebook. This is your homework. Using the rough figure you complete your homework. Try the construction also. okay, thank you students.